Okay, problem 2 here, we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 20 over x squared minus 16 divided by 4x squared plus 20x plus 25 over x plus 4. So we're first going to change this to a multiplication problem. Keep the first fraction the same. And then we're going to flip the second fraction. Okay. Now we want to factor, first off, we want to factor the 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. So we're going to do AC method. So I'm going to do 2 times negative 20, which is going to be negative 40. And I want to find the factors of negative 40 that add to negative 3. So that's negative 8 times positive 5. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x squared minus 8x plus 5x minus 20. And then I can factor by grouping. So in the first group, 2x squared minus 8x, the greatest common factor is 2x. So if I pull out 2x, I've got x minus 4 left. That's our common binomial. And if I multiply x by 5, I'm going to get 5x, and 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So this factors to 2x plus 5 times x minus 4. And we'll keep multiplying across on the top times x plus 4 here. And then on the bottom, we got x squared minus 16. That's a difference of squares. So that factors to x plus 4 times x minus 4. And then we've got to look at the 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. That is also a perfect square trinomial. That will factor to 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. Because 2x times 2x is 4x squared, 2x times 5 is 10x, 5 times 2x is another 10x, that adds to 20x, and then 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, now we can cancel out our common binomial. So x plus 4 cancels with x plus 4 here, x minus 4 cancels with x minus 4 here, and 2x plus 5 and this 2x plus 5 cancel. Everything on top is canceled, so we're left with 1 over 2x plus 5 as our simplified form.